Yes, we have room for one. And sir, you can't record in here.
I'm sorry.
Are you recording?
I am recording,
You're
ma'am.
not allowed to record in the courthouse.
I'm not in the courthouse.
You're in part of the courthouse. This is the building. If you want to step outside, though, you're fine.
This isn't the public lobby?
Of the courthouse.
Correct.
Which makes it
A public
part
lobby.
of the courthouse.
A public lobby.
Okay. So if you could just step out with that.
What was your name? So I know who I spoke
It's
to.
Officer O'Hare.
O'Hare 6167.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I'll need you to step out, though.
Yeah, I'm just working on the story.
Okay, is there something I can help you with?
No, not at this time, no.
But you do need to step out if you're recording.
What law is that?
You know, I don't know offhand. If you want, I can get you my supervisor's phone number.
You can get him down here if you want. I'm not gonna call him.
But you need to step outside while you're recording.
I'm not gonna step outside, ma'am. I'm performing a First Amendment protected activity here. Okay. Thank you.
Are you videoing right now?
I am videoing right now. What's your name?
Officer Podesta, are you
Oh.
here to see somebody?
Officer Podesta.
You can't have a phone in the building though.
I'm in the public lobby, ma'am. So you can go
When
ahead.
you come through these doors, the phone has to be turned off.
Okay. When you walk your dog, make sure you have a leash on them.
Okay. Come on. Are you here to see an officer?
No,
Do
ma'am.
you need something?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Looks like the supervisor has arrived. Hopefully he can educate Officer O'Hare on our First Amendment right to film in public and publicly accessible areas. Supervisor is explaining to her right now that I'm legally allowed to do what I'm doing. There you go. They're getting a nice education. Wish we could hear what they're saying, but it's looking like he's telling them he's not breaking the law. He's in a public lobby.
Yes, sir. So if you want to come into the building and speak with the supervisor, you're more than welcome to. You can do so on the third floor in the office, but there's no recording once you step past this door.
Okay, so he informed you and educated you on what I'm allowed to do here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You have a nice day.
You too.
All right.
All right, ma'am. So I'm gonna hang out for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get out of here. I'm glad that the supervisor was able to clarify things for us. Thank you. Hey, sorry, mind if I ask you a question?
Absolutely. What's up?
So did the probation officer call you about me?
They called with a concern about somebody standing around in the lobby. Yes.
Filming? Okay.
Yep.
And did you explained to them? Excuse me.
How are you guys?
Good. I know.
Good.
And you explained to them that I have every right to be here filming?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yep.
I appreciate it. And your name was McKay?
Deputy McKay. Yep.
Deputy McKay.
Yep.
And do you have a badge number?
6-6.
6-6.
Yep.
Okay, great. Thank you
All
for
right.
coming and thank you for explaining.
No problem at all.
All right,
You have a great
sir.
day, okay?
You too.
Take
Thank
care.
you.